A special thank you to Natasha and the team at West Coast Ford Lincoln for letting me review the Hyundai Santa Fe in today's video. Hyundai does a good job with their front end styling. You're going to notice its parametric jeweled grille that looks like it's almost as if it was 3D. I love how the front end is blacked out. There is no chrome on this Urban 2.5T all-wheel drive. IIHS rates the headlights acceptable. The Santa Fe Urban 2.5T uses LED projectors. There's also high beam assist on this Urban 2.5T. LED turn signal indicators up front. Overall, Hyundai does a good job with their front end styling in their newer vehicles. The 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe Urban 2.5T all-wheel drive is wrapped in Continental all-season tires. These are 19-inch alloys. These alloy wheels look futuristic in my own opinion. These rims look like they came off from an electric vehicle like a Ioniq 6. Powering this 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe Urban 2.5T all-wheel drive is a 2.5-liter turbo GDI MPI V8C 16 valve with idle, stop, and go. Steering wheel feedback was tight and responsive, which I really liked. You're looking at a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Gauge cluster has features such as timer, your gauge cluster settings, such as light, door, convenience, unit, and lights. We have the phone and media controls, as well as the driving aids. The steering wheel is also heated as well. This is a 10.25-inch infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, and this unit works fantastic. Here is your HVAC controls with your push button transmission and your heated front seats with your drivable selectable modes. There is also auto hold. There are 6 different drivable selectable modes in the Hyundai Santa Fe, such as drive and terrain. For terrain, there is snow, mud, and sand. Here is the cup holder with USB connection. Another cup holder with a storage bin beside it. Here is the glove compartment with plenty of space, even if you do remove the tray. Here is the glove compartment with plenty of space as well, as you can see. Here is a little cubby up top. Here's the backup camera in the Santa Fe Urban 2.5T trim. The beeping you hear is the parking assist. Here is a closer look at the backup camera. It has pretty good resolution. Here are the guided lines to help you reverse into your parking spot, or if you are parallel parking. To get out of reverse, simply press P, which is park, and you'll go back to your infotainment home screen. Here is the driver's side sun visor with a vanity mirror built into it. Here is the passenger sun visor with a vanity mirror built into it as well. We're in the back seat of the Hyundai Santa Fe. Here are the heater vents with USB connection. I have plenty of legroom, as you can see. This Urban 2.5T trim comes standard with a rear sunshade. Unfortunately, the back windows don't go up and down automatically like most manufacturers. It's an incandescent mount light back here. And here are the rear cup holders for the rear passengers. Moving on to the cargo capacity and what the trunk has to offer. As you can see here, there is plenty of trunk space with your 3 feathering systems. Here is more storage with your tire repair kit, and that's what you'd use if you got a flat tire. And here is more storage. So Hyundai gives you plenty of storage and cargo capacity back here. To fold down second row, you would press those 2 buttons on the right side to fold down your left and right second row seats. I love how the rear end is simple, not too overdone. LED taillights are standard on the Santa Fe. You have your Santa Fe badging, as well as your Hyundai and H-Track 2.5T badging as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next car review.